To solve this equation, we're going to use separation of variables. And to do that, we'll start off with the original equation, dy dt equals 2t cosine squared of y. And now we'll multiply both sides by dt. And we'll divide both sides by the cosine squared of y. All right, upon our cancellations, we're going to end up with a dy over top of cosine squared y is equal to a 2t dt. And next thing for us to do is integrate both sides. So integrate the left and the right. On the left side, it looks confusing at first, but if you recognize 1 over cosine is actually secant, so this is actually going to be the integral of secant squared. And that's equal to the integral of 2t dt. Well, the integral of secant squared is just the tangent of y, one of the integrals from calculus we have to memorize. On the right-hand side, we get t squared plus c. And then if we take inverses of both sides, the inverse tangent of y, inverse tangent of y is equal to the inverse tangent of t squared plus c. Upon canceling, we get y of t is equal to the inverse tangent of t squared plus c. So that's our general solution. Now to go ahead and find our initial value problem, we know that y of 0 is equal to pi over 4. Therefore, we're going to have the inverse tangent of 0 squared plus c equals pi over 4. So tangent inverse of c is pi over 4. And now if we take the tangent of both sides, we're going to have the tangent inverse of t is equal to the tangent inverse. Actually, it's tangent, right? Yep, so let's erase that inverse of pi over 4. And of course, that's just equal to the number 1. So t, or I should say c, let's erase that as well. So c is equal to 1. So our solution for this initial value problem is going to be y of t is equal to the tangent inverse of t squared plus 1. And the domain of the tangent inverse function is all real numbers. And if we think about the graph of that function, it's going to be something on the order of, and so when we graph this, we're going to see a nice graph that's going to have a smooth flattening there and then back up again. So our interval of existence is going to be all real numbers, the whole axis.